You will learn an immense amount of information that will make you an expert at making money using options as an investment tool. It all is presented on a CD that you can play over and over again. There are 15 chapters that cover option pricing and movement theory, the mechanics of different trading techniques, and successful methods to determine when to apply them. This is one of the timing tools we use. You probably have never seen it before, but we use it and we will teach you to use it also. Look at this chart. Does it tell you to buy, sell, or hold? Stay tuned. We'll tell you more. You probably can't tell, but you will easily be able to determine what to do after you're taking our course. This is another timing tool we use. Different approaches give reinforced answers. You probably are more familiar with this type of chart. How about this stock and chart? Is this stock a buy, sell, or a hold? Both charts give different information, and after you perform a short analysis, you will see enough data to apply one of the strategies taught in our course that you determine will be a winner, and you will make money. We also are concerned about fundamentals. We have a simple but effective approach to ensure that the stock's fundamentals are attractive, and it doesn't take a whole lot of time either. You can find a fundamentally sound stock, determine if its technical indicators suggest a strong move, and place your position in less than an hour, and one pick a week will generate very nice gains. The stock is Google. We will analyze a recent 4-month period just buying the stock. Most technicians will agree that there was a good general buy signal at $432. So if you had the fortitude to buy at that point, you would have entered a stock position at a very good price. But any waiting to confirm the start of the trend would have cost you money. It's tough to get the best possible buy price. The stock reached an absolute high of $505. You didn't have to sell at that price, but when is the right time? It's easy to be early or too late. A sell at this price proved reasonable after its long run. This trade made a profit of $73 a share. That's a very nice profit, but was it the right time? And if it was, what should you do now? The gain of 16.8% would make most folks very happy if your timing was perfect. But in the same time period, you could have made 150% using our low risk, low stress techniques. This is not an exception. The approach we will show you is our normal approach that we use all the time. Look at our annual results further into our website and view each trade or view the entire year with summaries for each month. We show every trade we've done for this year to date. You don't need to be a day trader to do it. Just a few hours every week or two will give you these results, and your money will be far less at risk than just buying the stock. Here's how we approach the same time period. The green circle defines where we received a signal to enter our first position. It's about the same place we bought the stock in the previous example. Then we placed a second position, and then a third position, and a fourth position. 4 positions, and one earned in the neighborhood of 30% over the same period of 4 months. And what about now? Is it time to place a new position? We'll give you the answer in a minute. We analyzed the alternate chart to pinpoint our expected exact entry point. We don't do our investing based on casual limited inputs. We study multiple views of the same problem. When the stock price was at the red arrow, we interpreted it to be a buy signal and placed the appropriate trading strategy. The stock then proceeded to move up as expected and made us about 30%. The stock only went up a very few percent, which is shown by the green arrow. It is our strategy that made the large profit. Our position concluded automatically without any further action or decisions required by us. The stock then consolidated for a while. At the second red arrow, we saw another buying opportunity and placed trade number 2. This trade concluded automatically again and made us another nice profit as the stock moved up beginning at the position of the second red arrow. Again, after the run-up, the stock declined for a short period. At the third red arrow, we entered position number 3. Our profit from this position which lasted a couple of weeks, accumulated 30% for us. Notice the stock made a very small move up, but we still earned about 30%. It's all in the strategy. Most of our positions last about a month. We had another small decline, which gave us another buying opportunity at the red arrow, number 4. Our new trade was the fourth in a little over 4 months and made another huge profit for us. And as we expected, the stock consolidated with a small decline. This is where we are right now. Do you see the trend of an up green arrow and then followed by a small drop in the stock price? Our gains coming from knowing how to interpret both types of charts and using them together to give us consistent high rewards with low risk. And yes, there is a new buy signal. Can you see it? It's a little different than the previous signal, or maybe the answer is in our alternate charting method. You will learn a dozen different strategies and when to use them. This course is designed to make you money, not to teach theoretical concepts. You will be able to do any of the techniques shown, and you will be able to do them when they are needed. So we teach you good timing analysis, but we also teach option theory, a dozen trading techniques, and money management. Even if you already know something about options, you will learn how to put everything together to make consistent profits without having sleepless nights. Our course doesn't cost thousands of dollars. Learn it all for a few $100s. We even include 4 sample newsletters that are guaranteed to pay for the CD, or we will give you your money back. Thank you for listening, and happy trading.